In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams. This process is essential for setting up your meetings with added security and ensuring that only invited participants can join. I'll walk you through every step so that your virtual meetings run smoothly and stay well organized. First, start by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already signed in, you're a step ahead. If not, enter your login credentials carefully to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the calendar feature. You can usually find this option on the left-hand side toolbar. Clicking on it will give you a full view of all your scheduled meetings, both past and upcoming, helping you keep track of your commitments easily. Now that you're in the calendar section, locate the meeting for which you want to generate a meeting ID and password. This could be a meeting you've already created or a new one you're setting up. Click on the specific meeting and the meeting details panel will open. Here, you'll see options like participants, time, and other settings. Whether it's a recurring meeting or a single event, the process for creating and managing a meeting ID and password remains the same. The next step is to click the Edit button. This is usually found at the top of the screen or within the Meeting Details panel. Selecting Edit allows you to modify all aspects of your meeting and tailor the settings according to your requirements. Once in edit mode, scroll through the settings carefully. Depending on your Teams version or updates, the meeting ID and passcode may appear in slightly different sections, but they are typically grouped under the main meeting settings. Look for labels such as meeting ID or passcode. Once you locate the meeting ID and password, you can copy them for sharing with your participants. Make sure to distribute this information securely, as it ensures that only invited attendees can join your meeting. Setting up a meeting ID and password not only organizes your virtual sessions better, but also adds a layer of security, giving you peace of mind. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently create, manage, and share your meeting IDs and passwords in Microsoft Teams. This approach ensures your meetings are well-structured, protected, and easy to manage. With properly configured settings, your virtual events will run smoothly, allowing participants to focus on collaboration rather than technical issues. I hope this guide helps you manage your Microsoft Teams meetings more effectively and securely. If you have any questions or need additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy working with Microsoft Teams.